No, that's it. That is course. No, yeah, that's Ricky Bobby. Oh, it is. Yeah, he's getting on the plane.
Look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a lawnmower. All right, so this lawnmower, I think Theo has challenged this lawnmower to do the ribbon cutting, if I heard right. That's correct, all right. Well, the lawnmower, you've seen a lot of planes out here and even some helicopters over this weekend come down and cut the grass because they're so low and hit them with the prop. Well, this is really, truly the only plane that is designed to do that. And if you're wondering how we get our field so nice and cut so low and so beautiful, it's all because of this particular plane. He flies the heck out of it, cuts the grass. And from what I understand, it does come with some accessories, a mulcher, a bag for the back. This one is gas powered, and I heard you can pick it up at Sears for $99.99. Does not come with the transmitter though. If you've never seen a lawnmower do that before, well, you're not the first. I really think it's kind of an abomination, in my opinion. Oh, he said, quit picking on me. Well, Marty's a blast. He loves having fun with his different planes. Marty's been flying for a long time. There's not too many people that could fly this lawnmower. As you can tell, it's kind of squirrely, and it takes a lot of skill to be able to maneuver it. So only a few people can do that, and Marty is one of them. He's been flying these things for years. Oh, wow, that was amazing. There we go. Are you trying to hover that thing? One thing that we'd like to say, if you're here joining us as a spectator, what we'd like you to do is if you could stay back away from the planes and the equipment. We have a nice little area that we built. Nice landing. We built that nice little area over there with the bleachers and the sunshade, and we like to keep that area as a spectator area because we have lots of dangerous stuff